Alright guys, what do you think? I had a chance to pick this up here a few months ago and I turned it down. I decided today to go ahead and get it since I ain't been able to work with the rib thing. And I thought I'd try to see if I can fix it up and flip it. The guy that I bought it from said he thinks it jumped time, which I don't know about that. It's a 2002 Ram 1500. It's got the 4.7, but listen to this. Well, it might. I never have heard the fuel pump come on, so I don't know if the fuel pump's not working and or some bad injectors. I'm not 100% sure what's going on, but it's trying to run. And earlier I had it, I probably put a little too much starting fluid in it. Let's try it again with not so much. Maybe it won't backfire and blow something up. I think these were bad about the cams going bad in them, which if it is, I guess I'm pulling the engine out. And now the battery's dead. Fantastic. Anyways, it's got 227,000 miles, might as well say 228,000 miles on it. It builds oil pressure. It's got half a tank. I don't know. I don't know. I hadn't really got to tear into it. It has no fault. It does have one fault code, but it's PO 37 or 38, which I think is just low washer fluid. There's no like engine codes. So I know if the fuel pumps go out on these, I'm pretty sure they don't throw a code for that. You would think if it was the cam, it would throw a code for that, but who knows? I know a buddy of mine had one of these down the road and his started running like total crap. It would run, but it would barely pull itself around. His ended up being an injector or two. And it could be that on this thing too. But with the not being able to hear the fuel pump run, I think that's where we got to start. Drop the tank, put a pump in it, and then see what it does from there. Maybe a set of injectors, or I need to find a way to check the timing on it, but I don't know if you can check it on these things with it not already running. So let me know what you guys' idea is on these. Yeah, and it's got one mismatched rim, but I do have the other that matches these three right there. It needs a full set of tires. I mean, it needs a good cleaning, but really it's not in bad shape. It's got some of the plastic stuff up here broken. Now, I took that cover off because I had to redo the hood latch because it wouldn't come undone. But like this cup holder, it's broken. I think you could probably buy one of them at a junkyard and bolt it on there. I'm not sure. The ashtray, well, same thing with the ashtray. It's broke. But the radio works, the fan blows. I don't know about the AC, obviously. I hadn't had it running long enough. Ooh, goodies. Oh no. Oh no, that looks like mice. Great. Hopefully they ain't chewed up a bunch of stuff. But yeah. So again, you guys let me know what you think. I'm thinking fuel pump and injectors. If y'all got any ideas, let me know in the comments. Later.